Hello students, in this lecture we will discuss on connected topological space. First of all, we will discuss separation of a topological space. Separation of a topological space X tau is a pair AB of separated subsets of X whose union is X. For example, if X equals to ABC, consider tau equals to phi X singleton set A, set having PC. Clearly tau is a topology on X because phi belongs to tau, X belongs to tau, and tau is closed with respect to arbitrary union and tau is closed with respect to finite intersection. Let A equals to singleton set A, B equals to set having two elements BC. A and B are tau open sets, and we know that two tau open sets are separated if and only if they are disjoint. So A and B are tau open sets and A intersection B equals to phi. So imply that A and B are separated sets such that A union B, A equals to singleton set A, B equals to set BC. So A union B equals to A, comma B, comma C equals to X. So imply that pair AB is a separation of X. If a topological space X, tau has a separation, then topological space X is said to be disconnected set. So here X is a disconnected topology because X has a separated sets A and B whose union is X. So now we will discuss on a definition of connected topological space. The space X is said to be connected if there does not exist a separation of X. That is, we cannot find separated subsets A and B of X such that X equals to A union B. A topological space X, tau is said to be connected if there is no disjoint non-empty open subsets A and B of X whose union is X. So for example, if X is any set and D is a discrete topological space, then imply that X is disconnected. X is disconnected because discrete topology because discrete topology is the collection of all subsets of X. If A is a subset of X, so imply that A belongs to D and A belongs to D, and if A is a subset of X, then A complement is a subset of X. A belongs to D, so A is open, and A complement is also belongs to D, and A complement is also open. A is open, A complement is open, and A union A complement equals to X, and A intersection A complement equals to phi. So A comma A complement, so A comma A complement are separated sets whose union is X. So X is a discrete topological X is a discrete topological space and X is a disconnected topological space. Next, real line R with respect to usual topology. Real line R with respect to usual topology as a connected topological space because there is no separated subsets of R whose union is R. Similarly, R square with respect to usual topological space is a connected topological space because we cannot find two non-empty open disjoint subset of R square whose union is R square. And next, R cube with respect to usual topological space is a connected topological space because there is no separated subsets of R cube whose union is R cube. Rectangle is a connected subsets of R square, and cuboid is a connected subsets of R cube. And many more examples. Disconnected sets. Let X tau be a topological space. X is said to be a disconnected if there exists a non-empty separated subsets A and B of X such that X equals to A union B. If there is a separation of X, then X is called a disconnected topological space. Indiscrete topological space is always connected because we cannot find non-empty disjoint open subsets of X whose union is X. Next, theorem IMPA.